I know you guys like the what I eat in a day videos, but this time I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm going to do a what I will eat that day. Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and Easter is almost here. And as for last year, I'm gonna join the campaign #meatlesseaster and also #savealamb, because as you guys know, I like to celebrate holidays, celebrating life and with cruelty-free stuff. And lately I received a lot of private messages of you guys telling me that you wanna join, that you wanna participate, but you don't know what to eat. So I prepared a super cute vegan menu, perfect for this occasion. Cruelty-free, eco-friendly, awesome, yummy, kind of Italian, because I'm Italian. And now, let's start. And let's start with appetizers. Of course, guys, this is a multiple courses situation, because I'm Italian. 3 of my favorite appetizers are bruschetta or bruschetta. I don't know how you guys say it in English, but it's bruschetta. Bruschetta with the hands. Toasted bread, olive oil, tomatoes, and basil. Perfection, guys. Or another one that I love is fettuta. Fettuta is toasted bread, garlic. You have to get a piece of garlic and go like this on the bread. Olive oil. Mwah! So good. And if you want something healthier, you can't go wrong with hummus and vegetables. And now let's move on to the first course. I'm gonna eat gnocchi all'arrabbiata, which is a spicy tomato sauce that I really love, and I love gnocchis. You can also make a vegan parmigiana or vegan lasagna. There are so many recipes online, but this year I'm gonna eat gnocchi because I love them. Course number 2. This year, I'm either gonna go with garbanzo meatballs, aka falafels, or if you feel like experimenting and you don't really wanna cook all this stuff, you can adventure the world of vegan meat alternatives. Because nowadays there are so many options, and I'm gonna go with this vegan roast. It's prepared, I don't have to cook it, I just have to kind of heat it up, and it's delicious. And I'm gonna make some baked potatoes and grilled eggplant. So good, guys. And now, dessert time! In Italy for Easter, usually we eat the Easter cake, which is called colomba, and there is this amazing brand that makes vegan colomba, Milano Bag. I tried their colomba last year and it was amazing. If you don't live in Italy, like me, unfortunately, I don't live there now, you can't go wrong with raw vegan cheesecake. It's super easy to do. I made a video about it and it's delicious, guys. Mwah! And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. And if you don't really like my suggestions, I just want to remind you guys, maybe you don't think about it, but nowadays you can veganize anything. You can put the name of your favorite plate on Google and the word vegan, and you're gonna find millions of recipes to veganize your favorite dishes. So it's super easy to do. If you're going to join these campaigns, post your pictures with the #meatlesseaster and #savealamb, and also tag me so I can see your pictures, I can follow you, I can like your pictures, I can comment, and we can celebrate together. As always, I say hi to all these people who send me cute messages, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!
Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.